Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, you need to open the control panel. In control panel, disable all unnecessary features like Wi-Fi, location services if you don't need it right now. Turn on, we need to click close. Disable Bluetooth, disable newbie share, and cool. So here on this device, it can be a good idea to leave light mode, because black mode here on this device will be useless. So in this way, if you will disable all unnecessary features, and when you will reduce screen brightness, in this way you will improve your battery life. But you can improve it more. You need to scroll down and find here battery and device care. Here find battery and click power saving. And it's not enough. You can enable super battery saving mode. To do it, disable battery saver mode, scroll down, find limit and apps, go back, and now enable power saving mode. And now you have only 8 applications, maybe not 8 but 10. You have 10 applications you can use in this mode, and in this mode, of course, all other apps will be disabled. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.